people in cracking haven't done looting yet. Haven't finished looting. Yeah, the rifts aren't taken. Yeah, let me.
Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm teaching you guys how to make a lightning striking effect on a snipe. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab your song. So I have mine right here. Drag your song file in, go to your beat. So mine's right there. And just move it over to where grab your clip. So my clip's right here. I already imported that. If you don't know how to import, there'll be a tutorial on how to import. So go to where you get the snipe. So once you see, go frame per frame until you see that blue. Once you have that blue, drag that over, drag that across, and drag your song across. It's not synced. So trim the end, go to your beat, or first of all, you're going to go click unlink so that these are separate. Bring this down to track 1, slice it here, and then there you go. Now you want to go make a plain black plane by just clicking plane, setting it over to there, grab plane. So I already have some. And what we're going to do is you're going to go grab this preset in the description. It's called the lightning preset. And that should pretty much have everything you need already in it. Set it to add, and then
let me.
And that's pretty much all you need. You can also add little effects. You can go add slice parts. So I'm gonna slice it here, go a few frames ahead, slice, again, copy it above, and paste it. Drag that over so it's aligned. Otherwise it's not gonna look good. And set the property to add, and it basically just makes that part really bright.
Let me.
And I would do another one closer, so right around here-ish. I'm gonna make this one longer, so copy that, paste it, and it should just automatically, if you drag it around, do the same thing, set that to add. Here's the effect.
Let me.
And I say this is the beginning of your montage. You can add a fade effect. So just click Control, go on the timeline, and add one at the beginning and one at the end, where you want it to fade in.
Haven't done looting yet. Haven't finished looting. Yeah, the rifts aren't taken. Let me.
And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. And please get to 15 likes, and we'll do another tutorial on how to do another effect. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.